Hi everyone, it's Dyna, and today I'll be making a super easy taro mug cake. It is one of my top 3 favorite mug cakes. You can definitely try it at home. As long as you have a microwave, you can make this yummy dessert under 5 minutes. So let's get started. First thing you're gonna do is put all the dry ingredients in. So into your favorite mug, put 3 tablespoons of all-purpose flour, two tablespoons of sugar or 2 packets of stevia, 2 teaspoons of taro powder, a 1/4 teaspoon of baking powder, and a pinch of salt. Mix it well. Then add 3 tablespoons of milk, two tablespoons of vegetable oil, and a 1/4 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Mix all the ingredients together. Just make sure there are no lumps. And now the batter is ready, so let's pop this into the microwave for 1 minute. So here it is, my favorite easy, yummy taro mug cake. I add some taro ice cream that I made yesterday. Also with some sliced almond on top. Yummy, yummy! It smells so good and it's delicious. It really goes well with the ice cream and sliced almond. So let me take a piece so you can see what it looks like inside. Look at that, how beautiful the color is. It's moist and you can really taste the taro flavor. So thank you guys for watching. Hope you enjoyed the video and see you next time.